Have you ever think how Google instantly give you direct answers to your question? It is because of AEO. Till today we are just doing SEO. But what is AEO? Let me show you first. When you are asking proper question at Google, then it display the output in brief and also mention the link of website at right side. Let's understand first what is AEO. AEO means Answer Engine Optimization. It is an upgraded version of SEO. In SEO, your website was ranking, but in AEO, Google will find the best answer from your content and display in feature snippet. Instead of ranking your website, it will show your content to the direct answer, like Siri and Alexa. Your answer should be clear, concise and structured to be the perfect answer. Day by day, the way of searching is changing. People are not just asking SEO, they ask questions like what is SEO? 50% of searches are question based. When your content is optimized for AEO, it is more likely to appear as a feature snippet at the top of the page. Let's understand how AEO works. First, you need to understand what people are asking. Like if you write about fitness or health, then people might ask how to start yoga as a beginner, how to do yoga for back pain. Then you have proper answer for it. Add structured data. Add FAQ to your website. How to do yoga? What are the benefits of yoga? What are the diet for a beginner? Like this. Then it will be easy to understand for AEO. Try to use conversational language and natural phrases like everyday language. People are also using voice search. If you want to be ranked at top of search engine, then you need to follow the current scenario for your search. Like योगा कैसे करें, योगा कहाँ करें. Might be your regular post rank in search engine, but if you are putting content according to user, then your content will be visible at top of the search engine. Might be you are thinking you have already invested lot of time, effort and money in SEO. Don't worry, just make few changes and it will definitely work for you. We are also doing changes in our website. We are also adding FAQ. You can also start. Friends, please like and share the video. Please also subscribe my channel for more informative videos about digital marketing and all. Thank you.